Hi everyone! Do you remember when we made a heart? Like this. Now, let's use this heart to make a Valentine's Day card for mommy, for daddy, for your friends at school, for your brothers, your sisters, anyone that deserves a Valentine's Day card. So, I have a heart. You need a heart, number one. Number two, you need a piece of paper. Here, I've cut holes around to make it look pretty, but you can do other things if you want. So, simply, I need glue, I need scissors, and I need a marker. First thing, we're going to glue the heart. So, put glue on the heart. Excellent. And glue the heart in the middle. Okay. And now, let's write a message. I think this Valentine's Day card will go out to Lucy. Oh yes, to Lucy. Happy Valentine's Day. Lucy. From me to you. Let's write it in the heart. From me to you. Ta-da! Ooh, let's make it even prettier. Let's cut around the edges. I like it. Look at this. I can just send it in the mail now. Let's go to the post office. Bye.